everyone, it's Kelly here from Creative Memories Home Office. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute doily embellishments for your pages, and as you can see I've already got 5 here and I need to make my last one to complete my layout, and I'm going to use the Dazzle Border Punch to create these little doily shapes. So what you need is you need 2 squares. One of them needs to be 4.5 by 4.5 inches and the other needs to be 4.25 by 4.25 inches. So here's the measurements right here that I'm using today. So I've already tested this out. I know that it works in the punch nicely to get you a nice shape at the end of punching. So what you need to do with your large square to begin with is you want to slide that into your doily border punch and then just make sure that it is evenly spaced, just as best you can. Space that evenly so that it is centered in the punch, and then give that a nice firm punch, and then work your way around the square. Likewise, just center the paper into the punch as evenly as you possibly can until you've completed all 4 sides. And you'll see that I do have some little pieces here that need trimming off. So I do have my scissors to trim those off, and I like to just follow the curve of the shape a little, just to trim those off. And you're left with a nice shape there. So that'll be the first one. Just going to pop my scraps over here out of the way, and then I'm working on the smaller piece. So this one was 4.25 by 4.25. Again, just slot that in, center it as best you can, holding it with your finger on the wing guard there, and work your way around the square. Again, you'll have these little pieces to cut off. And then you'll end up with a nice doily decoration for your page. So you could do things like add a photo into this section here, perhaps with your custom cutting system circles, or even another shape of cardstock, or whatever you like. Or you could leave them blank so that they're part of the decoration for the page. I'm just going to put that there. So now I'm going to adhere these together. So just a bit of repositionable tape on the back, and I'll line that up to mat it quite nicely. And then again on the back there. And I'll just pop that there. I like the green going downwards. They overlap a little bit across a 12-inch page, which I like that. And there you have it, a little doily feature for your page using the lovely Dazzle Border Punch.